Not until your hiccups are done will you get food.
Oh.
Oh. I know you're hungry because you just lost it all. But you gotta get rid of your hiccups, my dear.
Oh.
It's okay, they're just hiccups. You're hungry. It's okay.
Aww. So that was a yawn, a cry, and a
Hiccup.
various other things.
You're just having so much going on right now. You're sleepy, and you have the hiccups, and you're hungry. There's just so many things. You gotta get rid of your hiccups. Otherwise you'll lose all your food.
She's looking right at the camera. Ooh. Look at the camera. It's not enough of a distraction to get rid of the hiccups, though.
No.